How are we doing, guys? Right, on to more pattern details. This is, we're still on Hwa-Rang, if you didn't know. This is detail number 2. We are going to do the centre section down the middle. It's going to be quite a short video because the centre section is not actually that difficult and it only really has one detail I want to cover. Okay, so once you've bowed in your chum bead and your my chum bead for Hwa-Rang, do the first section, which was in the last video. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. Okay, but into press, double punch, then out to the side, 1, 2, into that punch, up to your chop and then out to your left hand punch. And that's where we're at. Okay, the section I want to cover is from this punch here, down block to the front, into your punch, grab, pull, kick, chop, and then the 2 punches to follow. Okay, now, you can't really see much of what I'm doing going that way, so I'm going to do it sideways. I'm going from pillar to pillar. The detail that I want to highlight in this is that pull, okay, the pull and kick. I know I have mentioned it before. I know I've mentioned it before, and still people do it wrong. Okay, so I'm going to mention it again. Okay, so it goes into your back, into your chubby, my chubby, get the whole first section done. Pow! Okay. And then you down block to the front. Nice and sharp, good stance, good block, double forearm, better, which way I'll go for our guys? Here. Okay, soft elbow on the downward block. Step and punch. Right hand, right foot. Notice I do bring my down block higher. That 1 in, 1 out punch, okay? It means that it's kind of maximum strength, it just looks a little bit nicer, okay? It's a counterbalance, okay? The same as we do when we do like do-san, and we counterbalance our kicks to the opposite arm. Kind of the same deal, okay? So you do that down block, you do that punch, okay? This kick. Grab, drag, kick, land. Notice I keep my body sideways on, at the point when I put my foot down and turn out, and I'm hitting that back stance. Okay? Okay, so I do see my feet, okay? But that's where we end up. What I don't want people doing is dragging up kicking. People have a habit of falling into kicks, falling out of kicks, or falling into stances. Yeah, they go kick, drop, and then they go lean and push. Okay? Because they'll put too much emphasis leaning into the kick. Wrong. Okay? Control your balance, control your kick. Okay, so again, I would have done that first section, come to the front, 1, 2, grab, pull, kick, land. Hit that back stance, hit that chop, neck chop. Back hand, back rib. Stepping forwards, 1 punch, 2 punch. Okay, first punch then. Okay? Okay, that end section isn't too challenging, it's 2 punches. Okay, but it's the bits that lead into and out of that side kick that cause a couple of issues sometimes. So I'm going to know the details. Okay. Now I've already mentioned the landing. I'm going to mention that pull. Okay. So from here, I do the pattern. Okay, and then we're going that way. Okay. So from to the front, downward block, into that punch. Grab and drag. Now, what people have a tendency to do is go, nope. Or they hit that punch and then go, okay. If you haven't guessed what I'm getting at yet, okay, the step and the drag have to be at the same time. Okay? At the point where I do the side kick, my kick actually goes out. Okay, it should only have 3 components to get there. Okay, so from the punch it goes first component, drag and step happens at the same time. Second component, kick. So then you land in your chop. Okay, I don't want people going from the punch and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a kick. Okay, it doesn't need to be in that many parts. Okay. So, I'll run that forward section as I hope my second cues are doing it. You can do it. I might do it again and again and again when we're in proper sessions again. Ready? Be here. grab, drag, kick, chop, 2 punches. Okay? That's it. That section is not drastically difficult overall, but there are footwork mistakes that can happen leading in and leading out to that side kick. Okay, so I wanted to go over them. That's detail number 2 for Hwa-Rang. Thank you very much.